guys, what's up? I'm on my way to meet my babe for lunch. It is Saturday. Ooh, child. Anyway, we're getting ready to go eat at Millerell. I love Millerell House, y'all. It's a new restaurant to me, just because they just built it here in Snellville, like maybe a few months ago. But the margaritas, the drinks are bomb. The food is good. It's reasonable. They have the $5 house margaritas, but then they have a watermelon margarita that I absolutely love. And my babe loves it too. So he actually just got off work, so I haven't seen him all week. And we decided to go ahead on and meet here to get something to eat, and then we'll head to the house. Cause he's hungry since he just got off work. I'm hungry because, baby, it's my snack time. It's 4 o'clock. So yeah. I'm gonna just park. You know, I'm gonna park pretty far down and walk. I need to get my steps in, so I'm gonna just park all the way over here.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future.
Well, I'm cleaning the floors because I'm about to lay the peel and stick flooring down. So
I was born to sing, travel the world, raise baby girls, bury my best friend. I'm manifesting. I'm good. I'm good.
it's dead. I was using it at my client's house. You want me to just charge it and then we take them off? I was trying to go. The electric screwdriver is charging. All right, we getting them down so I can paint them. I think I can, like, once I get the shelves and stuff painted, I'll stop stressing. Like, go and paint the shelves, put the floor down, and everything else is like cosmetic. Well, I guess that's cosmetic too, but you know what I'm saying, babe? Mm-hmm. You just saying mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright, let's start. I changed clothes so that I could paint. These are my paint pants. I think they already have paint on them from like previous projects. So let's get this painting. So we're gonna go with milk wheat pie. Which looks more like this, and then it will dry. And if I don't like it, I'll change over. Cause I also like this one, but it might be too dark. This one is ecological, which I actually really do like. I like both of them, but let's just see. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. Should have brought my radio up in this mug. Yeah, this reminds me of the house, my house that I grew up in when I was younger. The outside was painted this color green now that I'm thinking about it. And I'm not gonna worry about this part because I have to go buy a piece from Home Depot to do that.
Actually, more than good, kinda great, even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
like the color that it's drying to.
Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me. So I
Inside the cabinet, right here.
one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow
You can't even see this. I don't even know why. Like you can't see it. I just mentally know.
building our legacy, travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting and not
And y'all, I'm not caring about the floor because we're redoing the floor anyway. So it doesn't matter. It don't matter.
actually more than good, kinda great.
This is where we're leaving off today. I still have to paint the inside of the cabinets, but as far as that color, absolutely love it. It's a really, really, really pretty sage green. I'm about to go ahead on and put these stick tiles on the floor. Only on this side right here where the washer is gonna be delivered. I mean, where the dryer is gonna be delivered, because that's all I feel like doing for the rest of the day, at least for right now. So y'all, we've got the room painted. We got the shell of the cabinet painted. I still have to do the doors.
Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
They're unloading. I'm so excited. I started putting stuff in the cabinets just because it's been a few days, a few weeks. This is the green that I'm going with now, but it is a pretty olive green color. It was between these two. Laura Garland is pretty, but I feel like it's too dark. This one is still like a shade lighter. All right, these are the doors to the laundry room cabinet. So I'm about to paint them the green that I just finalized the decision on, which is I think it's lottery drawings. Here's the progress that I've made. So I'm about to do the second coat on these right here. And then I have to start this one from scratch. So this is the cabinets all painted. They're on. So this is the matching washer and dryer set. It's the LG matching set. I am so in love with it, with the clear top. I think that's what makes it different. So even though they're not front loading washer and dryers, because they just were, I just wasn't doing that right now. I still love that it's a nice modern looking set together. Of course, the next step is going to be adding a floating shelf going right across here. That's why it's so much space between the washer and the dryer and the cabinetry, because we are going to put a floating shelf here, and then there's going to be another floating shelf right there. But I also have to get like some wood to close off the sides of that and then paint that green. So still have to do that. More things I'm going to be doing on this side over here. But yeah, this is where we are so far. I want to show you the knobs that I ordered to go on the cabinets. I'm probably going to have to set up the tripod so you guys can see. You know, all right, so these are the knobs. They're so cute. I just wanted to get some simple round knobs, but I did like that these had the detail. They have like ridges on the side. They're so cute. Pretty brass. I bought these on Amazon. against the green. This is what it would look like. It's so cute. This is what it would look like. You would really be able to see it like from the side if you're on the side, but in front it's just like round, easy pull. So we have to install these there and of course up there. And I'll link these below. Like I said, these were on Amazon and they were not that expensive. So washer, it has the clear top, y'all. I threw some clothes in here because I'm trying to figure out how to use it. I probably should have showed y'all this before I put clothes in it, but it has a clear top so you can see everything. And I'm just gonna pour some detergent in here and some softener in here. Probably take these off, but I'm gonna leave my tags on, you know, because it's new and I want it to still feel new, so they're gonna stay up there for a while. So here we're celebrating my boyfriend's birthday at Knife Mediterranean restaurant in Atlanta. We did shades of brown as the theme and everybody looks so cute. You know, I love when everybody cooperates with the theme, but the food here is really good. I did a TikTok on it more in depth, so follow your girl over there at all things Adaeze.
Just keep giving me all your love. Yes, it took a real man to bring it out of me. Gave me good love, baby, and now I see what a big dog needs. It's funny, I wanna be submissive now. What a big dog needs. Funny how I wanna be submissive. Got me making plates and doing dishes. Baby, what you need, I handle business. He called me an oh so, but little do we know that everybody doesn't get this treatment.